Hello, I'm Paul Copping, Innovation Director for Kingspan Water and Energy, and I'm here to talk to you about our water technologies. Firstly, Kingspan Group was founded in 1965 and grew to over 4.7 billion euros as of the end of 2019. The group is made up of 5 divisions: insulated panels at 64%, insulation 20%, light and air, water and energy, and data and flooring. We'll talk more about the water and energy division. The division in water is split up into rainwater harvesting and collection tanks, wastewater treatment and pumping, and stormwater collection and attenuation. Our energy business is made up of fuel storage and dispensing tanks, AdBlue storage and dispensing tanks, and hot water storage for domestic and commercial applications. All of the above products have the ability to be serviced by our technicians, ensuring they operate at their optimum for the life of the product. Linked closely with our service is our smart monitoring packages, which give the end user up-to-the-date information and ensure the service and maintenance is carried out routinely. Our Kingspan Water Solutions have the benefit of over 60 years of expertise. Our wastewater treatment systems come in a variety of technologies and cater for both domestic and commercial sewage. Our water pumping solutions have tank capacities up to 100,000 litres and pumps that can deal with clean and dirty water at any flow rate. Our stormwater management systems are based on simplicity on installation and simplicity for maintenance and service. And our water storage tanks can cater for all types of water for rainwater harvesting, firewater storage, and potable water storage for areas of water scarcity. All of the above are focused around smart monitoring to ensure we develop more data for the end user. With water being a global problem, our target regions are within the Nordics, France, Poland, and DACH in Europe, the Middle East, Australasia, and North America. To show our commitment to the planet, Kingspan in 2020 launched the Planet Passionate campaign, which is focused on reducing our energy consumption and our impact on the environment over the life of the 10-year plan. If you'd like any further information, please contact us at the following places. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brian Maloney. I'm the founder and CEO of Storm Harvester. At Storm Harvester, we use hyperlocal rainfall forecast predictions and machine learning to predict what's going to happen within your stormwater and your wastewater network. On this presentation, I'm going to focus on the wastewater side of our offering. So for wastewater systems, we can predict with up to 96% accuracy the flow across your wastewater network and into a wastewater treatment works. We can also detect blockages in real time before they result in network outages or pollution incidents. We have trialed this blockage prediction technology across the summer live on Wessex Water's network. Wessex Water are having increasing problems with blockages from wet wipes, fats, oils, and greases. And this has caused an increase in the requirement for their maintenance budget year on year for the last number of years. For Wessex Water, we were able to identify blockages in real time before they were resulted in network outages, overflow events, or pollution events. And on the back of this trial, we are currently now outreaching to other utilities, municipalities around Europe, America, Australia, and New Zealand to provide this service, this technology that we have successfully implemented across the summer with Wessex Water. We're also currently outreaching for partnerships, and we've already identified over 100 companies that we have outreach to, with initial discussions taking place with multiple of these potential partners. And the partners we're looking for are around flow and level sensors, telemetry providers, pump providers, and any equipment providers into the wastewater treatment works. If you have a company or you're a utility or a municipality with these needs, please get in contact with us. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Gary McLaurin from TES Group. I'm the head of pre-sales and marketing. TES are specialists in the provision of municipal water and wastewater treatment facilities. Following a period of sustained growth and investment in the company's infrastructure, TES are established as a leading company in the water industry throughout the UK and Ireland. We provide mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, control, automation, minor civil works, and process solutions to our clients. To deliver projects, we utilize our own in-house resources with over 150 employees qualified in a range of disciplines, including process engineers, design engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, software engineers, electricians, and mechanical fitters. TES can provide you with a complete 360-degree package of complementary services, from project management to process design and automation using the latest BIM technology, to constructing, installing, commissioning, maintaining, and repairing your facility. This unique single provider partnership approach ensures greater control with superior communication throughout all stages of delivery and ultimately ensures that your project is successfully delivered to schedule with health and safety prioritized throughout. TES have successfully delivered projects internationally in countries including the UK, Ireland, Iraq, Libya, Qatar, and even on the remote South Atlantic island of St. Helena, where we upgraded the island's water treatment network. Our projects range from small package treatment plants to large municipal water and wastewater treatment facilities. We're keen to further explore international project opportunities that require municipal water or wastewater treatment and have specified a requirement for recognized industry standards. Thank you for your attention. Please contact my colleague using the details on screen in order to find out more about the services that we can provide or to discuss any requirements you have.
As a chartered water engineer working on site and in the design office, I met the need for temporary liquid storage. In 1979, I had the opportunity to work with Oxfam and the United Nations to design a tank for the Decade of Water and Sanitation. This refined the required specification and led to the birth of the FastTank 2000. It had to be easy to transport. In fact, 6 had to be transported on the back of a pickup truck at one time. It had to be safe to use, as the people who were operating it may be stressed in an emergency and unskilled. It had to be corrosion resistant and maintenance free. The FastTank 2000 holds 10 cubic meters of liquid and can be packaged into a box measuring 0.37 cubic meters. It holds 10 tons of liquid, while its package weight is only 60 kilos. It takes only 5 minutes to assemble by one person without tools, and it can be set up on uneven ground. The design has endured by incremental development and using new evolving technologies and materials. Starting in the aid relief industry, FastTank was quickly adopted by other sectors such as environmental protection, firefighting, and aquaculture due to its simplicity and unique benefits. The framework is structural aluminium with stainless corrosion-resistant fittings. The black UV-resistant enclosure is a highly chemically resistant, waterproof, high-tenacity fabric. It has a unique patented suspension system which minimizes the load from the tank contents entering the support framework. Over the years and by customer demand, FastTank has developed a complementary range of products. The FastTank 5 shares the same benefits as a bigger 10-ton tank, but holds 5 tons of liquid while weighing only 36 kilos. This is joined by FastTank 3 and the FastTank 1. The FastTank buns provide secondary containment to prevent pollution and spoiling of water resources. It is a legal requirement in most countries. Once again, a simple and quick solution with the core benefits of the FastTank brand. By lowering an end wall, plant can be driven and operated inside the pond. It prevents leaking fuel, hydraulic oil, or stored hazardous chemicals causing pollution. There are 8 popular standard sizes, but we also manufacture to order. Please visit our website, fasttank.com, to discover how the FastTank range can benefit the water and wastewater industry. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Fergal Campbell. I work with CD Enviro, part of the CDE group. We are the world's #1 wet processing equipment company, and this presentation is what we can offer in the water sector. CD Enviro design mobile and static systems for solid liquid separation to recover and recycle materials and also to protect processes. Our products fall into 2 categories. In the wastewater, we have systems to remove grit and sand and sewage, which damages current wastewater treatment systems and reduces capacity. So for example, settlement within digesters reduces the capacity, reduces generation, and therefore has an effect on the ROI and the production of the digestion. Our technology removes sand and grit and allows it to be reused in areas such as construction, pipe bedding, etc. Within the drinking water sector, we can also wash sand from drinking water filters to be reused and continue to protect the quality of the drinking water. So we will take the sand from slow sand filters, clean it, reclassify it, and this allows the life of this filter and the capacity to be protected. The markets we're interested in expansion in is in North America and in Europe. We have systems in both regions and we would like to expand here and elsewhere also. Thank you for your time. My name, title and contact details are on the screen now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Gareth Caves from Iniska Group, presenting the BioSettler, which is a patented wastewater treatment process developed jointly by Iniska and Queen's University Belfast. It combines inclined plate settlement and membrane-aerated biofilm reactor, or MABR technology. As a modular drop-in system, it is ideal for retrofitting to existing final settlement tanks to assist water utilities to comply with effluent quality standards without large capital investment. Iniska Group are a design, manufacturing and engineering group of businesses specialising in the water sector and operating out of 6 locations across the UK and Ireland. Iniska Group capabilities range from scoping through to turnkey project delivery, with the BioSettler coming from our product design and manufacture department. The BioSettler is unique as no one else combines the proven processes of MABR and lamella plates. We produce cassettes which have the lamella plate attached to the MABR manifold, and 13 of these cassettes are slotted into a stainless steel module designed to be suspended in existing final settlement tanks at the wastewater plant. When air is supplied to the module at very low pressure, it permeates through the fine strands of silicone and biofilm forms on each strand. The biofilm then provides the biological treatment, and an integral air scar is activated periodically to control biofilm thickness to ensure optimum treatment. Energy consumption is extremely low, as only very small air blowers are required to deliver the bubbleless aeration to the MABR process. High levels of BOD, COD, suspended solids and ammonia are removed from final effluents using the BioSettler. Overloaded wastewater treatment plants are a problem the world over, so the market for the BioSettler is vast. However, since we are just embarking on commercial production, our strategy is to attain ISO accreditation and to grow the installed base in GB and Ireland. With patents in Europe and North America, we aim to follow the success of MABR technology as it gathers momentum. Please contact us and we will be happy to deal with your inquiry. Thanks for your time.